If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker than they used to, if standing up from a chair takes real effort now, or if stairs, balance, and longer walks feel a little risky, you're not imagining it. And more importantly, you're not alone. Today's video could completely change how you think about leg strength after 60. Because here's the truth most people never hear. Weak legs are not caused by age alone. They happen when certain muscles and nerves slowly stop being activated the right way. The good news, modern research now shows there's a faster, safer way to rebuild leg strength, balance, and confidence. And it's not endless walking or gym workouts. It's specific seated movements that target the exact muscles responsible for standing, walking, and fall prevention. In this video, I'll guide you through 3 simple chair exercises that are widely used by physical therapists and fall prevention programs around the world. No gym, no equipment, no pain. Make sure you stay with me until the end. The final exercise is the single most important movement for leg strength after 60. Before we dive in, I need to talk to you for just a moment, because this is important. One of the biggest fears seniors quietly live with is the fear of falling at home. Slipping in the bathroom, losing balance near the stairs, or falling once and never fully regaining confidence again. A single fall can lead to weaker legs, less movement, and loss of independence. That's exactly why I created my Senior Fall Prevention and Strength Guide. This ebook isn't optional. It's essential if you want to stay independent. Inside, you'll find senior-safe exercises designed specifically for people 60 plus, simple routines to rebuild leg strength and balance, easy home safety tips that reduce fall risk, clear guidance most seniors never receive. Most falls are preventable when you have the right plan. You'll find the link to this guide in the description and in our bio. Make sure you check it out after this video. Now let's continue. Quickly, tell me in the comments, what country are you watching from and how old are you today? This helps our community grow and reminds you that you're not facing this alone. Exercise 3, seated heel raises, foundation for walking and balance. We're starting with exercise number 3 because it's one of the safest, yet most underrated, strength builders for seniors. Most people don't realize this, but weak calf muscles are one of the strongest predictors of falls after 60. Your calf muscles. Stabilize your ankles. Push your body forward when walking. Prevent tipping and stumbling. Absorb impact every time your foot hits the ground. As we age, these muscles weaken faster because we sit more, take shorter steps, and stop pushing through our toes. Research published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy shows that reduced ankle strength directly increases fall risk, even in seniors who walk every single day. Walking alone doesn't fully activate these muscles. That's where seated heel raises come in. How to do it? Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, knees bent at about 90 degrees. Lightly hold the sides of the chair if needed. Slowly lift your heels off the floor as high as you comfortably can. Keep the balls of your feet planted. Hold the top for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower your heels back down. No bouncing, no rushing. How many? Start with 10 to 12 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Complete 2 to 3 rounds. As you get stronger, increase the hold to 5 seconds. Add more repetitions. Slow, controlled muscle contractions improve blood flow, nerve activation, and the connection between your brain and your legs. This translates directly into better balance, stronger push-off while walking, and faster recovery if you stumble. Exercise 2, seated march hold, hip strength and balance control. This next exercise targets one of the most neglected muscle groups after 60, the hip flexors. Your hips control, balance, step height, standing on one leg, getting into a car, climbing stairs. Research shows hip weakness is even more closely linked to falls than knee weakness. Walking doesn't properly train single leg control, and that's exactly why this exercise is so powerful. How to do it? Sit upright in your chair, feet flat on the floor. Gently engage your core. Slowly lift one knee toward your chest. Stop when your thigh reaches parallel, or lower if needed. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds. Lower slowly, switch legs. How many? 6 to 8 reps per leg, 2 total rounds. As you progress, increase holds to 8-10 seconds. Add more repetitions. Isometric holds like this improve nerve signaling and balance control. A study in clinical interventions in aging found these holds significantly improve walking stability and balance confidence in seniors. This movement directly helps with stepping off curbs, preventing trips, standing safely on one leg. Safety tips: keep your chest tall. Breathe calmly. Stop if you feel sharp pain. By the way, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more senior safe strength and balance guidance. And trust me, don't skip the ending. The final exercise changes everything. Exercise 1, sit to stand, the most important movement after 60. This is the single most important exercise in today's video. If you only do one leg exercise after 60, make it this one. Sit-to-stand trains quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, core, balance reflexes, and it directly mimics everyday movements. Standing from a chair or toilet, getting out of bed, regaining balance after a stumble. Research from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity shows sit-to-stand ability is one of the strongest predictors of independence in older adults. Lose this ability, life gets harder. Strengthen it, everything improves. How to do it? Sit near the edge of your chair, feet shoulder width apart, feet slightly behind your knees. Lean forward slightly from your hips. Press through your heels, stand up slowly and fully. Then lower yourself back down with control. Use armrests at first if needed. How many? Start with 5 to 8 repetitions. Rest 60 seconds. Complete 2 to 3 sets. As you gain strength, increase to 10 to 12 reps. Use less hand support. Slow down the lowering phase. Sit-to-stand improves strength, bone density, balance reactions, and coordination. Studies consistently show seniors who practice this regularly walk faster, fall less, stay independent longer. This is why physical therapists consider it non-negotiable. Common mistakes: dropping into the chair, standing too fast, holding your breath, letting knees collapse inward. Slow, controlled movement always wins. If your legs feel weak after 60, it doesn't mean your body is failing. It means the right muscles haven't been activated yet. These 3 chair exercises: wake up dormant muscles, rebuild strength safely, improve balance, restore confidence. Do them 3 to 5 days per week. Consistency matters more than intensity. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe for more senior safe guidance, and drop your age and country in the comments. And don't forget, follow us on Facebook for daily updates and behind-the-scenes tips. Your legs are stronger than you think. You just needed the right movements.